Hey everyone, hope you're all having an amazing day out in here, and welcome back to another episode of Mouse PI for Hire. So, last time we continued investigating the disappearance of several shrews across of Mouseburg, after Cornelius pointed us towards what's been happening in the city. So, now what started as a simple lead quickly turned into something much bigger, with evidence suggesting that this case may be tied to corruption within the city's police force. Now, today we're following into that same lead into the old subway system, but before we head underground, we need to speak with Tammy and see what information she can give us. Now, before we jump in, if you would like to see more Mouse PI for Hire, you guys know what to do. So, let's just jump back into the investigation and see what we can uncover next, shall we? Let me see. Huh, you got something you want to talk about?
So, what are you gonna do next?
Tough call, but I gotta go scratch the underbelly.
Yeah, I've heard the older it gets, the more rubbing it needs.
What? No, Tammy, I meant the city subway. The rotten underbelly, the big stink?
Oh, gotcha. Well, watch yourself. Back in the day, the subway was an old cheese-leg smuggling route. But word on the street is they're still running the shady enterprise through the tunnels.
You don't say.
But hey, if you're gonna go down there,
Yes.
well, see, they used to have these black market workshops all over the place. Mostly full of junk I don't give a rat's tail about. But back when I, worked in the area, I came across plans for some seriously fancy stuff. Mostly guides to fixing rides and tuning engines, that kind of thing. Jack, I'd be really, really grateful if you find...
Say no more, kiddo. I'll keep an eye out for the plans.
Thanks, Jack. You're the bestest.
Okay. Do I have any more? Ah, I need one more. Damn it. This is 5. Okay. Screw it. Ah, yeah. So really hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I'm actually really enjoying this game. I think the next game I'm gonna play. Oh, let's see where we're going. It's another boomer shooter called Forgive Me Father, based in the Cthulhu mythos. I don't know too much about it, but it sounds really interesting. So if you guys are interested, that'll be another game that I would love to play for you guys.
The underbelly was crawling with lice. Or maybe mice. Either way, it stank worse than a campaign promise. All the grind from a dark wash. And if I wanted to find the missing shrews, I had to push through.
I'm just button mashing, if I'm being honest with you. Okay. You give me that. What is this? Okay, due to the uncontrolled increase of illicit substances straight along the step side line stations, is closed under further notice. All access to or use of its facilities is hereby prohibited by law. Okay, so they're getting serious about it now. Give me that. Money. No.
More cheeseluggers here than a midnight raid on a dairy truck. Something smells off.
Very off, yeah. You can say that again. No, nothing here. No. Okay. Ooh. Got some armor right here. Dynamite, don't need that. key.
Just right for...
A hat. So there is trafficking in this
These
area.
cheese leggers in on the shrew racket. Time to find someone higher up and squeeze them till they squeak.
Don't I need to find a key though? Ticket booth key. The ticket booth key. Oh. Well, that was easy. Awesome. Okay, so the game really does reward exploration.
Ticket seller, I'm going on a perilous journey, so I need your strongest tickets. You can't handle my tickets. They're too strong for you.
Okay. Newspaper startled boy eats bad book.
God, let me catch you.
I'm just button mashing right now. I don't know what's going on with me. Falling. Okay, don't need that. I am supposed to go over here. Okay. Boing. Boing. Oh, was it? Should have known. Okay, well that was it. Idiots. It is that way. Okay. Okay, let me get situated, Jesus. Okay.
No sign of the shrews. Either they vanished into thin air, or I've been chasing my own tail again.
What is this? Another baseball card. Oh, that was armor. No, nothing here. Okay, okay. that's just pistol ammo.
Oof, this place is big. Practically big.
Okay. Huh. Weights and everything. I knew I was missing one of you. Dummy. What's over there? Okay. Okay. That's creepy. Ooh, spooky, scary. Ooh, money, money, money. Tissue headline article seems hastily redacted, barely making sense. Idiot. Is the water electrified? Doesn't seem like it is. So that's gonna bring them up? No? There it is.
Oh, even the lights are on. Hey, knew it. Okay. Ooh. Dummies. Don't know what that did. Oh. Hey. Okay. So gonna be any crocodiles here in the sewers? That'd be fun. Scary, but fun. Okay, so let's continue. Beware. Ew, toilets. Wait, why is this chair here? That's disgusting. You never know, there could be something in here. Damn it. Who the heck are you?
Don't shoot, mister. I swear, I ain't one of these no-good two-bit cheese-leggers. I just asked for tickets, and they gave me a knuckle sandwich instead.
Relax. I'm a PI. I don't rough up people for no good reason. Cheeseleggers, though? Plenty of reasons there.
Yeah, like walking around with no tickets. And in those filthy, briny overalls.
Sure. Wait. Briny?
Like they took a swim in pickle juice or salt water. Must be a part of that shady business they're running.
I see. Say, where'd your dance partners run off to?
Hard to tell. Been too busy seeing stars since they left. But if I had to guess, I'd say they're running their racket further down the canals. Lot of movement for a section that's supposed to be shut down. Oh, and watch out for their foreman. He's got a nasty snap.
Duly noted. Thanks.
Say, you wouldn't happen to have a ticket on you, would you?
Don't push your luck, bub.
Oh my cannolis! This game is great. I need a resupply and everything, bro. Jesus. Wait, wasn't I just over there? Huh. Wait a minute, how do I get up there? Huh. Oh, my mom. Yep. You take damage. Okay. Duly noted. I'm not gonna happen again. You know what? I am not happen again. I do need this ammo. Ooh, boss fight time.
So, you're the pesky mouse. So the
You're
rumors
the
are true.
pesky
A
mouse.
giant gator in the sewers with a Gatling gun.
You better believe it, bub. Now hold still.
No, sir. Give me the TNG.
Hot glad. Right up. Courtesy of Miss Gurney.
Oh, I'm burning. Give me cheese.
Go for my beastie. Steady load. No hard feelings. Just hard exits. Hot glad coming right up. Miss Gurney. Now hold
Oh, that was it? Can I get your Gatling gun? Oh, you're asleep. Can I get your Gatling gun or something? As a weapon? That'd be cool. What is this? Call the elevator? Oh my god. Press control in midair to float. this game is great. I freaking love this game. Also, I hope you guys are really enjoying. I'm having a ton of fun with this game, so I'm gonna keep on pumping out videos as long as you guys keep on enjoying them. Where are we supposed to go? Ew. You gotta be kidding me. Where am I supposed to find the blueprints? I'm not finding anything. Guess I'm probably not even looking right. Oh, that's poison right there. Yeah, I'm not getting that.
Cheese and crackers.
I didn't do anything to you. What were you doing? Not sure why you were dying, but okay. Forget about it. Jeez. Ay, ay. I see. Well, I guess I'm not finding the blueprints. Oh well. What blew up? Oh well. No, wrong button, brother. Oh, I fell down. There's something down there, so 1, 2, go. Ah, fuck. Did I fuck it up already? Hell yeah. Okay, so 1, 2, go. Oof. Almost freaking drowned. Not today, Sonny. What is this? Oh, the blueprints.
Schematics, I think. Could be a fancy doodle for all I know. Guess we'll find out if Tammy starts yelling.
Okay, awesome. Hey, another one.
They said I found my mini-me, but I was still trying to find my meat.
What the hell? I hope that we have here.
Wait, you talking to me? That's gotta be the big bad foreman. Kinda scrawny for a boss. More like a mini-boss.
Is he actually going to be a mini-boss?
Listen, Kuyon, I don't know what made you change your mind. Wait. You're not one of them coppers. Of the crooked kind?
Nope.
I'm one of those guys who brings lost shrews back home. And whatever this operation is, It's a stinky, sticky roadblock in my way. So this ends one of two ways. You're in cuffs, or you're on the ground. Either way, you're spilling your guts.
Wait! We're just transport. Hard help. Oh, outsource. That's what the boss told me to say, yes. Ain't our job to ask questions. We just deliver. It's them cops pulling the strings. Real rats, I tell ya.
Rats?
Well, not rats like rats. No, the coppers. Crooked boodoos. They made us do it. Swear on my mama's cottage curds.
With all that brine on you, I'm guessing you're ferrying the shrews up the shore.
Up. Somewhere in Wallop Bay. Ain't got an exact spot. The cops take the cargo over by the sewer outflow.
They're shrews, not cargo.
Oui, my bad, sir.
Wallop Bay's huge. It's like looking for a shrew in a haystack. I need to head back to the office. Rethink everything I've learned. Preferably over a glass of spicy hot fondue.
Can do that. What?
That sewer was clean. Too clean. And clean made me nervous.
That's convenient. Well, I think I got everything here. Okay.
Cheeseluggers and 30 cops. Didn't see that one on the bingo card.
Okay.
I got your fancy plans, Tammy.
Plans? Oh, you mean the blueprints? Peck on the snout for that. Mwah! Was it a hard grab?
Not really. Those cheeseluggers are squishy like an overripe brie.
Yes, well, anyway, thanks, Jack. Now I can get to work. You're gonna be surprised, dazed, and amazed. And it's gonna come in handy for you, too.
Really?
It's
now?
all right, kiddo. That smile's all the reward I need.
Really now? Okay, what are you gonna make? Okay, oh, we got 8. Okay, so might as well put it here. Got 5 and 5. Bullets pierce the first 3 enemies. And increases the projectile count, increase clip size and max ammo, and reduces recoil. Increases damage, clip size, and ammo, and reduces recoil. For this, for you, reduces spread and recoil. I think I'm gonna save it for whenever we get another weapon. I think. Whoops. I don't know if that changes anything, but alright. Alright. I'm not talking to Wanda yet. Okay. Where? Still in the bar? Well, you know what? I'm already here. Let me just put the clues on the wall. Okay, just a head, but a shrew size head nonetheless. There can't be more solid proof of shrew trafficking through the sewers. The question is where? Okay, they're moving the shrew's seaside, the Walla Bay most likely, but where exactly?
Makes me wonder.
There's a whole lot of cheese leggers in the old subway lately. Might be tied to the shrew's roundups.
Well.
Cheeselegger foreman let some cheese slip. Bunch of nasty cops were leading the shoe trafficking operation. Somewhere near seawater. Also, not talk to. Oh, who are you?
It was a day like any other. Until the woman. That woman. She waltzed into my office like she owned the place. Didn't have to say a word. I saw her voice the moment she walked through the door. Wrapped in makeup and a cloud of perfume reserved for the sleaziest Tinsel Brothers party. No, that voice. Not a contralto, the contralto. Thick, rough. Like Gorgonzola picante slapped on a mozzarella platter.
Monsieur Jacques?
Okay.
Bonjour, Monsieur Jacques.
No, that's down the hall.
Bonjour. 'Tis like hello, only en français.
Lady, I am too tired, too hungry, and way too sober for this. Why don't we cut to the chase?
Oh, you're no fun, Mr. Pepper. Tisk. I have a job for you.
I don't need any more headaches right now, so if you don't mind.
Nonsense. You're drowning in debt, picking up small fries and petty cases. What you need is a big one. And this, Mr. Pepper, is the big one.
Well, she
Well,
better
go
pay me
on,
good
then.
then.
What's the deal?
It's about my friend. She's dead. They killed her, Jack. Murdered her.
They? Well, sounds like you already know who they are, so where do I fit in?
Please, Mr. Pepper, it's a figure of speech. My friend, Betty Lynch. She was an actress. Beautiful, talented, vibrant. A radiant star destined to bask in the limelight. Until some vile hand snuffed out that shining star. Just like that. The curtains closed on her forever, Mr. Pepper.
That's all very theatrical.
Force of habit, I guess. I did a few movies myself back in the day. But that doesn't matter to me anymore. Betty does. She was a close friend. And they, the whole poisonous industry, killed her.
Quite an accusation, lady. Talk on the street is this was an accident.
I told you it was big. The biggest. So please, take the case, Mr. Pepper. Start snooping around the film studios on Tinsel Avenue. You'll find answers there, I'm sure of it. And trust me, I pay good for the right intel.
All right, I'll take the case. But I don't come cheap, Mrs. Or is it Ms.?
Ms. McCarthy. Vivian McCarthy. Thank you, Mr. Pepper. I'll be waiting.
Okay. Alrighty, guys. So I think this would be a good place to cut off episode 6. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay. Bye bye.